Good Monday morning, everybody. It is the 18th of July, 2022. It is about 7:38 in the morning. Probably mid-70s. We have just gotten on I-75 north from exit 283 at Emerson. We're going to get an update of Old Alabama or Red Top Mountain Road all the way out to the Cartersville Airport this morning. Weather bug says it is 71 degrees. We'll just be getting off at the very next exit. Speed before merging on. Hope everybody had a great weekend. We'll be riding around getting video today. Got to take Vicky's RV to her motorhome to the shop tomorrow. Okay, Altoona Dam, Red Top Mountain. Now this extension is new within the last, 5, 6, 7 years. Red Top Mountain State Park is to the right. Cartersville Airport is to the left. And this used to end at US 41. They have extended it, and now it goes all the way over to, and then joins Old Alabama. And they've been four laning it. We got that about a year ago, but we haven't got an update on it. So we'll see how it's doing. I don't know what he's sitting there for. Headed west now. We've got the sun behind us. We will be passing by the road that goes to the Cartersville Indian Mounds. Now this used to go downhill right here to 41 and dead end. But now this goes over to the right, goes down to 41. To the left will take you back to the Loves, so to exit 283 where we got on. The Loves, Quick Trip, and Lake Point Sports, all of that. We need to merge over to the right. Well, they're going to come around us and not let us merge to the right. We're crossing over 41 now. Country up here in northwest Georgia. Cartersville is growing, just like all over Georgia is growing. Crossing over 293, Georgia 293. Still a lot of mining that goes on all up through this area up here. this is this newer section. Up here, at this road up here at the left is where it used to come in. And just go down to the Carter Airport in 2-lane. Yeah, it says road construction. I wouldn't think they're finished with it. To the left will take you into Emerson. So that's old Alabama. Should be able to see the smokestacks of the U Harley power plant here shortly. It's going back into 2-lane here now. They're working on it, but they haven't got it completed. Now I've driven that road, but I can't remember exactly where that road ends up going. This road to the right will take you back over to 293. It's a very nice drive. It's a short drive, but it's a very nice drive. This has always been awfully pretty. This guy get by. Get on to wherever you think you got to be. There have been a couple of subdivisions developed along here. It's taken a long time to fill up. This has been very slow in filling these subdivisions up here. These subdivisions have been developed at least 10, probably 12, 15 years. Out there. That long, I'm going to call it a depression, long housing collapse and everything has created a pent-up demand. I don't know how long it's going to last. Interest rates are going up. I don't know how long people can pay these crazy prices for stuff with interest rates going up. I'm not sure what they're doing up there. Now this subdivision plantation up here on the left, it's been developed 20 years and it's taken forever to fill up. And to the right will take you down to take you to Cartersville, but to take you down to the Indian Mounds. But yeah, Carter's plantation there, whatever that is, has been developed 20 years, and there's still lots available in there. This area's taken a long time, but it's finally come alive. Switching it up here. Okay, the airport's up here on the right. This will be Georgia 61. Right will take us back into Cartersville. Left takes us over to Dallas, I think. Leaves on the trees, you can just barely see the smokestacks over about 230, but you can't see them now. We're going to come down this little hill. And we will end this here. We'll turn right on 61, go back into Cartersville. I guess we'll stop at the Ingalls and get breakfast. The two Ingalls in Cartersville are the two poorest delis that I go in Ingalls. Now, I guess they're extending this 4-lane. There you go. You can see those smokestacks over there now. I guess they're going to extend this and do something more out there. I don't know what they're up to. We'll just have to wait and see, I guess, unless somebody knows. Yeah, but there are those stacks over there. Yeah, Ingalls breakfast usually is very good. One in Somerville's excellent. One in Greensboro is excellent. Mountain Park, Lilburn is excellent. But these two, the serving size is usually small, and the people are not usually overly friendly. I think probably the same deli manager manages both of them. And I don't know, they just... these two have a different attitude about them to me. But we'll try it again and see. They may have switched some management and they may be better now. I guess we'll leave it running until we get down here until we turn right. To the left will take us over to U Harley, Rockmart. I said, there's a ton of stuff to do in Cartersville. Museums, all kind of stuff. Proximity to Rome and the Rome Braves, Berry College, all there is to do all up through there. Okay, this is Georgia 113. 61 goes to the right. We're going to turn it off right here.